Meticulously maintained executive home in highly sought-after Magnolia Creek subdivision is perfectly situated on a private cul-de-sac lot. Soaring 2-story foyer open floor plan, eat-in kitchen, 2 pantries, large laundry room. Gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the main level. Oversized master and ensuite, full guest suite secluded for privacy, 2 generous-sized secondary bedrooms complete the second floor. Fully finished basement has plenty of room to entertain and flow to the private backyard. This is truly an amazing home. Schools are highly rated and very convenient to shopping in minutes to GA 400.